What's up, guys? We are in New York. Look around me. Yeah. Yeah. Very excited about this weekend. We are actually going to be going to a Broadway show by the man himself, Hugh Jackman. He's actually doing a Broadway show about New York, and so that's the main reason we came here, but also we just wanted to come visit. It's our anniversary weekend, so it's another way to celebrate and explore, get to do things, and just have lots of fun. It's been a long time for me. Have you been to New York?
I have. It's been over 10 years though.
Wow, over 10 years. So long overdue and very excited. We took a red-eye flight last night, Thursday, and we landed this morning. So we're pretty tired, full of adrenaline, but probably very sleep deprived. We did not get good sleep on the airplane either. We just got done eating delicious breakfast at this place called Toasties. They had some really good bagels, and now we're just gonna walk around, explore, probably go to the Rockefeller Center, and yeah, just see what else we get ourselves into.
Brentwood Terminal? Is that like the train station? Brentwood station where they shoot all those movies too?
Probably. We should definitely go there. How far is that from here?
Very close, with that way.
So currently we are at the park called Bryant Park, and it's actually right behind the New York Public Library, which we just visited, and it was a very nice library. It was, I would say, one of the best libraries that I've ever been to, and I think that it's probably one of the nicest libraries in the world. Like, I will just make that flat out statement because it was just very nice. The entire library was made out of like marble, and it was like being in an old Olympian building or something like that. I don't know. An old government building. I don't really know how to describe it. It's just very, very majestic kind of building, and had a lot of history. There was a lot of old art, a lot of art from like the 1900s, 1800s. There was even some 14th century art. Pretty crazy, pretty cool. What'd you think about the library?
I was honestly more fangirling about the fact that that's where they filmed Sex and the City.
Oh.
And the part where Carrie gets the call from Big, and then she beats him up with a bouquet because he fucking left her at the wedding. He ditched her. What a jerk.
Okay, so it is now the next day, but I wanted to wrap up some things from last night because I did leave my camera and I kind of stopped making a video. Yeah, the show was extremely fun last night. Hugh Jackman, aka Wolverine, was truly a great performer. I think he started in theater, so it doesn't surprise me that his performance was great. It was touching.
Then I look back with no regrets. I'm sure our love was wearing thin.
Also, Ryan Reynolds was there, kind of his hype man, as he always is, or like their mutual hate for each other was actually love for each other.
Would you not? You could just bring one of these.
That's the one guy. The other guy, the right.
The little button. It works. I'll lend you mine in a minute.
But he was there, so it was really cool seeing two of my favorite actors that you just see them on TV all the time, but seeing them in person was really cool. So yeah, I truly enjoyed the show last night. And one of the cool things about this hotel is that it's literally right across the street from where we went to go see the performance of Hugh Jackman. So here, let me show you guys. Right there, Radio City. I'm not sure if you can see it. Radio City. Oh. There it is. Right there. Radio City. Oh. Yeah, last night was a lot of fun. We even went out for a walk after the show. Looked for some food. We got some street food. After we had some dinner, we decided to go to Times Square. And man, Times Square is popping at the middle of the night. It was like, I don't know, midnight when we got there. And Times Square was just live. It was popping. There was so much action going on. And again, we took videos, took pictures, but you know, we didn't do anything too crazy. Before I wrap up this video, I wanted to show you guys a quick view of my balcony. It's fucking amazing up here. It's literally like a balcony in the middle of the city, and we're on the 22nd floor. Building doesn't go that much higher, but you get to get some good views here. And we're on 5th and 51st. I don't know if you guys know New York. I don't either, but it might ring a bell for some of you, but just check out the views.